Hello woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, Small Workshop Guy. What the heck is the best set of drill driver bits? I certainly have enough of them to choose from. They're from Irwin. It's a 19-piece set. Problem with the darn things is that Home Depot and Ace and everybody, they put these right up by the checkout counter, and you look over there and you say, oh man, that looks like a good set. I think I'll add that to my collection. You bring them home and then you start using them, and then they go everywhere and they're no longer in the set. And so then next time you're at the store, you get another set. So anyway, pretty kind of like an addiction of some sort. Probably a better addiction to have than some of the others that are available to us here in humankind. Well, what's the best? Well, you can't answer that because people might have different opinions, and some people are completely brand loyal, kind of like it's a religion or something. But I have decided that there is a set that I prefer over all of the others. And why is that? Most of these, if they have an indication on them at all as to what they are, it's kind of stamped in the metal in the side of the bit. And when you get to be my age, or a lot of people's age, you no longer can read those little stamped things anymore. And so that's frustrating for me. I'll be looking at these and I'll try to figure out, all right, which one is my T15? Which one is my T25 for my I finally found a set. I guess I saw them probably on Amazon, maybe at the store. They're from Irwin. It's a 19-piece set. It also has, in addition to really nice labels, if you can see that, really nice labels there that say like T8, T10, T15, 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 T20. Now this one doesn't belong in there, but I wanted a T25 in the set, so I just added one from my little modest collection. And then I've got my Phillips, and then I've got my countersinking drill bit, size 4, 6, 8, and 10, so different ones. And there's a stop collar that comes with it, and a little place to put your little Allen wrench to go with it, so you don't lose it. This one I added from somewhere else. So anyway, this is my favorite set. One of the things I really like is the ability to pull these out easy. You just pull them up, take them straight out, and then when you want to put them back in, just get that into that slot and slip it down. I like that. I get very, very frustrated where they've got these rubber flaps over there. This one's from DeWALT. And you're trying to get that back in there, and you'd like to just put it in there and push it down, but the rubber gets in the way, so then you got to try to get it in this side, and then you got to get it pushed in, and I just don't have time for that. I'm already the absolute world's slowest woodworker. So that's one thing I like. I also like the set here, because that's kind of what you need. And the other thing that's very, very important for me is that these come not with something stamped in the metal down here, but look at that, an actual white on black, if you can see that, white on black lettering that even this old coot can see. So I'll put a link down below to these. You can get them off of Amazon in a few days if you have Amazon Prime. And they're around $57, $58 or something, but that's with 4 of these countersinking drill bits in addition to all of these bits. What the heck is my favorite set of drill driver bits in a nice case? It's this one from Irwin with 19 pieces. It's actually part number 1890451. 19-piece drill driver set. I love it. I hope you're enjoying this series of videos called What the Heck Is. They are definitely designed for brand new novice or beginning woodworkers. As you might know by now, I have a favorite saying in life, and it goes something like this: you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Small Workshop Guy, signing off. It's actually part number 1880457. No, let me try that again. Primary reason, well, two reasons really that I found. One, I love the way they've designed the case, so not only is it labeled, but you can actually just put these little things in there and get them in. And of course, I'm on filming, so it didn't go in right, but you can put these in here and put them down.